Cook your eggs on low heat. I learned that from Gordon Ramsay. Hell's Kitchen is overrated. I ordered a steak from there and they turned it into a hockey puck. They fired that chef that night. They were nice though, they fixed it. The food actually was good. But anyway, protein snack, post-gym session, Hellcat Pro unboxing, coming to you. This is, I don't know if I trust this one.
I wouldn't do it.
Scrumptious. Sorry, my wife will put that away later. Taste test. It tastes like shit. No, I'm just kidding. Hey. Way to go. This and slap your mother on literally everything, game changer. Egg breakfast coming to you. Like, I'm not gonna hide the tips and tricks. Like, these are pro tips, guys. Slap your mama, salt, black pepper. That's all you freaking need. Gordon Ramsay level eggs. Olive oil. All of the olive oil. You have to use this. Don't use anything else. Don't use butter. You want to use fats that are liquid at room temperature. They're good for you. The fats that are solid at room temperature clog your arteries. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got.
Not sponsored, by the way.
Yet. A box inside of a box inside of another box. Ooh, safety, clear, nice gun. What is that? Hellcat Pro, baby. Thing's beautiful. Stainless steel OSP. Check that bad mamma jamma out. Anyway, we have our gun. La pistola. Accessories. I never use this. I don't know what that's for. Speed reloading, whatever. Nobody uses these, but better than nothing. Cool, we got 2 mags. This was the gear up kit. And this is what is in the gear up kit. And this is why I got it. Because you get, it's a nice bag. You can take this indoor ranges, they won't get scared when you just walk in like this. Hey guys, I want to come shooting in here. Just kidding. So you know, put it in here. It's all professional and stuff, you know. La-di-dee-dee-da, going to the range. All right. It's enough forcing around. Anyway. 3, 4. Can't get it out. 5 mags in your gear up kit, right? And then you get a little itty bitty wet dot. Check that bad Larry out. And most importantly, you get this cool sticker, y'all. Springfield. Oh, it's so nice. I like the stickers the best. That's my favorite part, is the stickers. But anyway, the gear up kit, if you guys can find it, for the price of just the gun, they have a promo. You just get all this stuff. I watched the reviews, or I read some reviews on this thing. It's not like the greatest. It's a Viridian RFX 11. Who knows if it's any good or not. Oh. By the way, if you have children, do not lose these batteries, because these are really dangerous for kids, okay? So if you ever drop one of these on the floor, you better damn find it. Positive side, facing out. It's green. You see it? There you go. Nice. Nice little green dot there. That's cool. I like that. We'll see how it works out. I'm not used to shooting with red dots, so honestly I'm probably just gonna leave it iron sights. My Glock 19, I've only used iron sights. You just can't go wrong with that. Also, this glows in the dark pretty nicely. Can you guys see? Oh, it's still
Yeah, you can
kind of
see
dark.
it.
All right, when you cover it, look how much that glows. You see that? It's actually pretty bright. And when it's full dark, it shows up nicely. So there's your sight picture right there. Whether you guys, I know some people love or hate the sights, but I like them. Turn the lights back on.
Yeah.
So let's lay it out. That's kind of neat. Obviously it would be flush on there, but like I said, I'm gonna run the iron sights, but the gear up, I'm gonna be careful with this because I have little children. You get your 5 mags. Now these are all the California 10 rounders. Yeah, I know it's lame, but I needed something that was California legal. My Gen 19.5 or Gen 5.19. I don't think I can get a CCW with that out here. So check it out. These mags, they fit flush. I think the standard ones are 15 rounders, which also fit flush. And then they got the extended 17 rounders. And they come out a little bit, but it fits nicely in my hand. Grip angle's good. Can't wait to get this thing. Go shoot it for the first time. So yeah, gear up kit. That's what you get right there.